wants to come. Yeah, and karibu sana.
Asante sana.
You love your shop. It's beautiful. The mirrors, the bags, the shoes, the plants. Yani, hata mtu akishawa na feel. And there's a pool for me to sit while I look at, you know, the things that I want to shop. So this is brilliant. This is good PR. Ushasikia PR hapo umeweza. Sasa, I wanted to talk a bit about your products and what you have for us. Yeah. Tuanze na kiatu. This shoe has really caught my eye.
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Hii kiatu inaitwa Miu. Yes.
Okay.
Ni designer.
Hii ndio unasema ni designer. Okay.
Then ni original. Kila kitu iko sawa. Na ni second hand. Second hand.
So how much does this go for?
This one inaenda na 45.
45.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. But unaona hata hii sole nika, is this real leather?
Yes.
Okay. And the sole itself, it's very hard. So it's a quality shoe that will last me.
Yeah.
So is this 45 negotiable?
45. That's the price.
That's the price. Yeah. Okay. But unajua kitu tunasemanga na second hand ni bei ya kuongea. Ama hapa
hapo ukikuja ukitaka kiatu kama hiyo tunasongea na kutolea kitu.
Okay. This is a really good shoe. It's Kenzo. It's called Kenzo.
Yeah.
Okay. Kenzo is the brand or the type of shoe?
It's a brand also.
Okay.
That's designer.
Okay.
Nayo ni ya wanawake. Ni paro ni quality na ni leather.
Ni leather.
Number.
So ni kiatu itanila.
Kiatu itakula.
Nani ya pesa ngapi?
Hii ni ya 35.
35.
Yes.
Okay, that's a fair price. And this boot, you know, these are the boots that are in right now.
Yes.
Wow. Na ni ngumu.
Nayo inaitwa Dior.
Imeandikwa hata Dior Paris.
Yeah. Ni original. Na ni unisex.
Yeah. Okay. So a guy can wear it
and a lady
can wear it. Yeah. So there's something that you said. Kwa hizo vitu tatu tumeona umesema ni original. So is everything in this shop an original?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. So hapa ukipata ni legit business.
Bei yake ni 65.
65.
Yeah.
Okay. We don't joke. Versace?
Yes.
It has a Versace buckle of some sort. And how much does this go for?
Now near 45.
It's ni Versace original.
Yes, the original.
Kabisa?
You can see.
Yeah, and it's real leather. I'm telling you guys, if you like just this shoe, the feel of it is very hard. Like in a car, it's a shoe that will last you for a long time. And yeah, made in Italy. Versace. This is how you know it's a true brand. Wow. Okay. So kama ni 45, jua unava Versace original. Versace on my feet. Na kuna hii nimeona. It's very catchy. Gold imeandikwa Paris. Which kind of shoe? It's a Louis Vuitton.
Yes.
Wow. Red bottom. Wow. This is nice. Na hii inaenda kwa pesa ngapi?
Hiyo ni 45.
45. Hata na feel tu yani. The feeling itself nimeicheki. And there's this boot. I really like it. It looks if you want to stand out in style, yeah.
Yes, smart.
Ni kiatu smart. Kiatu smart kabisa.
Skima tope.
Usikiwa tope. Na aingizi maji. Kwanza in this weather. Okay, and how much is this?
Hiyo ni 65.
65. Negotiable. Yeah. So for the people who like the streetwear, this is a good look. Like you can wear this with a leather coat, a leather trench coat. Hapo umeweza kabisa. Uko mbele vibaya sana. I can see you have bags. I like this. This is so nice. So how should I carry it?
Beba hivi.
Unaweza beba hivyo.
Ama kutoka utabeba tu hivi.
Unabeba hivyo.
Penye wanaka mnabeba.
Ukweli. Kumbe unatuelewa.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much is
hii nayo ni Bottega. Hii ni designer.
Inaitwa?
Bottega.
Oh, Bottega. Okay. Wow.
Jina yake ndio hapa.
Yes,
ni designer. Nayo ni black smart. Nitabeba kenye nataka.
Wow, look at the inside of it. It is so nice. Nani second hand. Inakaa mpya kabisa. You know, for us ladies, if you're opening your bag na imetaruka huko ndani unafungua na design watu wasione. But now this one you can boldly open it and be like, okay, yes. Let me just look for my phone. Oh, I love the inside. The interior is really nice. This is real leather.
Yeah.
Okay. This bag can really last someone. So how much does this go for? 4.5. Okay. Hapo hata hatubageni. Hapo like go for classy. This is it. Oh wow. I match sana na outfit yangu, but you know, this bag is nice.
Nayo inaitwa hiyo ni Chanel.
Oh, it's a Chanel?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Nayo inaenda for 3.5.
3.5?
Yes.
That's nice. Oh, I like
bag ni
it.
mingi.
I like this. This is so nice. Which brand is it? Looks 100% brand new. It's like hakuna mtu ameivaa.
But ni second hand.
Ni second hand?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's so nice. Hii inaitwaje?
Hii ni sana ya Miu.
Miu?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ni ya Miu.
Ni design ya Miu. Nice. Sana.
Unaona kana dent?
Ina dent hata.
Nayo ni ya 4.5.
4.5.
Yeah.
We. And this one is a snake print.
Hiyo nayo ni Gucci.
Gucci.
Yes.
Okay.
Hiyo nayo ni ya 55.
5,500. Okay.
Nayo ni second hand.
Zote hapa ni second hand.
Na kufungua.
Sasa hii nayo inaonekana iko na funguo.
Unafinya tu hivi.
Oh.
Then you open.
Oh, it's simple. Okay. Na huko ndani. Okay.
Naona ina dent.
Haina dent. Jamani, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. You said it's going for 4.5?
55.
55. Wow. Okay. This one would work for day, for night. You know, out with a girl. This is
everywhere.
Anywhere. Yeah, it just like these things, the bags, the shoes. It's just how you pair them. You know, like you can make it look nice for official. You can make it look nice for a night out. You can make it look nice for a cocktail or you know a conference, depending. This is so nice. I love it. Sasa tumeona hizi.
Hizi London.
Prada. Hey, kuna Prada hadi. Wow.
Nayo inaenda for 8.5.
8.5. Wow. Prada original. I can see it has so many.
Sauna. Kuna vitu mingi. Ndio maana ukipata kila kitu unapanda. Inapanda venye iko smart.
And this is how you know original.
So
even for Prada.
Yeah.
Like it has this tag over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Huko ni mingi. Kuna hiyo.
Kuna ingine hapa.
Yeah,
you have enough room. And for the people who have like small laptops, they can fit here.
Then, ukifungua tu hapa. Fungue na hapa.
So that you can fit
kama kuna vitu mingi.
Wabeba tu hivyo na
unabeba nayo.
Sawa kabisa. I love it. So nice. Hi. So tumeona Prada. Tumeona
Louis
Vuitton.
Ndio hapa.
Okay. It looks like a travel bag.
Yeah, it's a travel bag.
Okay. Or like a short trip.
Yes.
This is so nice. Ukienda mahali una need to change outfit or you want to carry an extra, if you're wearing heels and you want to carry an extra pair of shoes, this would do. Wow. Hey, Vincent. Hapa naona umetusort kabisa.
Karibu sana. Karibu mpate mali.
Umetusort.
Mali ni mingi.
Umetusort. Nimefurahi. Lakini kuna hii bag. Naiona na shanga. Iko na hii, iko na hii. Hii ni kama ile toje, ile ya kunit. Okay.
Naenda for 8.5.
Naenda for 8.5.
Original.
Okay.
Kuna kifungo yake hapa.
Kifunguo? Aya, kuna padlock.
Yeah.
If you want to make sure your things are not
kama
stolen.
mali huko ya.
Wow.
Original and second hand.
Nani second hand. And it goes for 8.5. This is lovely. Yeah. It's for real, it's an original. It's very strong. This is any bagging it. Ni kitu smart, ni bag itakalisha for sure. Sasa hii afanywaje? Utaonekana tuweza kufungua. Isikuwe ni nini? Ni padlock tu ya kuchocha. Na imefungua. Voila.
Hiyo ndio yake.
Ndio hiyo. Wow. Ona, it's branded LV.
Yeah.
That's very thoughtful. I think that's why I like such brands. They really put in thought into like their work. Nimeona hapa kuna kofia.
Kofia ziko.
Hizi tunazitaje? Bucket.
Hii ni hat, Valia tu hivi.
Bucket hat ndio hii. I like it. They're nice. Nani original eh? Sijui unakaa vipi? Oh, okay. When you're wearing the bucket hat, just make sure your hair is just free and laid down so that it looks nice. Just kama shamba boy hivi. But this is an original Louis Vuitton bucket hat. So how much does this go for?
Hiyo ni ya 5.
5,000.
Yes.
Okay.
Tuko na Gucci. Na Gucci hiyo. Na different colors. Inani ya 5. Hata ni Gucci pia.
As in, yani navana feel confident. Wewe, bucket hat ya Louis Vuitton. Feels nice. I like it. It's really
original.
okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is proof of brand. Okay. There's this bag I have noticed.
Okay.
Yeah. For us who are still going to school, or we like carrying backpacks because or traveling, or we prefer this for our laptop.
Yes.
Is this an original? No, imeandikwa Prada. Okay.
Na ni Prada. Na ni second hand.
Okay.
Kwa hii mkiona, kwa hiyo na hiyo.
Nice.
Fungua. Naona venye iko ndani.
Okay.
So tunaingia ndani tuone.
Yes, fungua tu. 7,000. We. Oh, nafuu. Original kabisa.
Very smart sana.
7,000.
Yeah.
I think there's also this one. Inakata kata.
Inani Louis?
No expiry date.
Yeah.
It's
Inani Louis?
very strong leather.
Yeah. Ina inaenda kwa 7.
7,000. Okay.
Very smart. Na unaweza beba kila mahali mara unataka.
Nayo ni pesa ngapi?
Inani
This
7.
is, it can be a stylish bag. It can be a bag for school. It can be a bag for like a short travel. This is nice. Okay.
Then.
Gana. Hiyo ina leather jacket. We.
Nayo ni designer.
We.
Inaitwa Moschino. Nayo ni
nayo unafungulia wapi?
Ni back bag,
Oh. Okay. Okay. Nice. 6.5. Okay. Nayo iko poa kabisa. Na kuna hizi bag zenye tunavanga huku hivi.
Waist bag.
Waist bag.
For now zinaisha. Imeisha kwa saa hii.
Oh wow, this bag is nice. Hii saa imeandikwa CD inamaanishaje? Ni brand inaitwa CD.
Ni brand. Brand poa sana. Hata nikubeba simu.
Oh, yeah. Like if you're just if you're just going to hang with your friends. Yeah, this is a good bag. I like the strap. C5. Hey, leather nayo. Okay, I'm telling you, this shop, you will be mesmerized. The things are really, really nice. Original stuff, like we have the Ojo kuna venye you can know a legit brand. So even if it's 7,000, it's value for your money. And that's what we do here at Beyond Deals. We give you the best deals, best prices, yes, original things, good things, quality things that will last. Now, if you want to get any of these things, just go to beyonddeals.co.ke, no Tazipata, and we will deliver them at your doorstep. Vincent,
yes.
Asante sana. Thank you for your patience.
Yes.
Thank you for taking me through your amazing stuff. Yani nimeshika hivi.
Na feel venye iko.
Kabisa. Like this Versace shoe, man, they are original, wonderful things. Thank you so much. Sasa tuambie, like there are people who are watching, where can they find you if they want to see it for themselves?
Mwenye nataka kununua hapa, jina langu kwanza ni Vincent. Niko hapo mahali niko naitwa Adams Business Park. Karibu na Winners Chapel. Hapo ndio nitanipata.
Sawa. guys, thank you for keeping it beyond Dales TV. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have found something that you would want. And you know what? Here you see it, you find it, you love it, you buy it live. Okay, beyonddales.co.ke. You just order it, we deliver it at your doorstep. I have been your lovely host, Rose. Until next time, kwaheri.